am the one they can't stop thinking about. I am the one who lives in their mind rent-free day and night. I am the one they are drawn to without even knowing why. I am the vibration that pulls them in with every heartbeat, every breath. I am magnetic. I am powerful. I am unforgettable. I am the energy they crave. I am the peace they miss. I am the love they long for. I am already chosen. I am already desired. I am already loved. I am aligned with the reality where they call me. I am aligned with the reality where they text me. I am aligned with the reality where they can't resist the urge to reach out. They feel me. They need me. They want me. I am the only one they want to talk to. I am the only one who gets them. I am the only one who feels like home. I am the only one who matters. I am the spark they can't put out. I am the peace they can't find in anyone else. I am the connection they didn't know they were missing until it was gone. I am the pull they can't resist. I am the reason their heart races when they check their phone. I am the name they whisper in silence. I am the face they see in their dreams. I am a love magnet. I am their favorite voice. I am their favorite energy. I am their favorite place to be. I am the one they turn to when they want to feel safe. They text me. They call me. They show up for me. I am the joy in their silence. I am whole. I am enough. I am everything. I am not just the one they want. I am the one they need. I am the one who changed them. I am the one who helped them see what love could be. I am walking in the reality where everything is already mine. I am vibrating at the frequency of fulfillment. I am resonating at the level of love. I am the signal that triggers their awakening. They're texting me because I am unforgettable. They are calling me because I'm undeniable. They are coming back because they feel what I feel. I feel certain. I feel chosen. I feel loved. My energy is aligned with love. My heart is open to everything meant for me. I am the one they've been looking for. I am the love they've been longing to feel. I am the vibration of everything they thought they couldn't have. I am the one they feel in their chest. I am the one who lives in their heart. I am glowing with confidence. I am radiant with certainty. I am loved for who I am. They feel me in ways they've never felt anyone else. They sense me in every quiet moment. They're drawn to me with a pull they can't fight. I am the full embodiment of love. I am their peace. I am their clarity. I am their desire. I am the reason they changed. I am the trigger for their transformation. And now I am ready to receive them. And so it is. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They are contacting me now" to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.